Hey everybody, welcome back to Crypto Mathing. So, what a week it's been. It's been a wild one. Everybody on YouTube is talking how bullish they are for the week and how we're going to go up to 80K and all this stuff. And I'm probably the only one that said, what's going to happen now? So, happy Saturday, everybody. Um, so, let's take a look at my X account. So, if you follow me on here, I kind of foretold you what was going on. So we were at 61, just over 61K, and I said, hey, this is a zone of resistance right here, and to watch out for coming down, a little retracement and coming up. Possible small retracement before the breakout. And then what happened? Oh, there it is. Crash. Now, we haven't hit this support line yet, okay? So obviously this looks a lot of confusing, so let's go to a simpler one. And here's the one that I drew on. Now, I look at a lot of different charts. I got my different ones I view. Probably haven't explained this too much, but I have like this complicated one that I usually draw on constantly and I play with constantly. I do. This is like this is a 4-hour chart. This is the 1-hour chart. This is everything I look at. So like, I go to the 4-hour chart. My green line, this line of support came, bounced, rode on it, came, bounced, broke through it, came back up, got above it. And then, I kept seeing it hit this red line. So let me get in and explain like what I saw. Okay. First thing I was looking at is I was finding resistance. Obviously we topped out, and then we came back up twice and touched it, broke through it a little bit there, but it wasn't really enough. And this yellow line right here is my very large cup and handle. That's probably not a thing now. Could still be a thing. I mean, that is a monthly. That's a very large cup and handle. So I've seen the charts very much break through, hit a resistance, come back, and come back down. But we actually came back, bounced off of it, and started heading up. So that just kind of changed the narrative. But still, this cup and handle is not going to play out until we break through this 74K of all-time high again. And once we hit that, that's going to confirm the cup and handle, and then that's when we go to 120, 130K. I don't know when that's going to happen yet. Um, who's to say cup and handles? This thing is so big. Go to the weekly here. This cup and handle's so big. So, I mean, a straight, a trajectory coming right up. We're still, like, this is still my time frame. Right here. The end of 2025, the last quarter, roughly, is when I say we're going to hit the top of the market. If we were to hit the top of the market, and what are they saying? January. Some people are saying March. They're saying March might be the top of the market. They're saying like right here, this area here. I still say it's the end of 2025 by the 4-year cycle. And taking a measurement from the halving to the all-time high, 18 months, 17 months, average it out. That's kind of like my area right in there that I'll be taking profits. Got a little sidetracked though. Okay. So, what in the world? How did I see that? So, like I said, playing around with the charts. We came up here, touched, came back down, retested, came back up, touched. Now this is on the daily, and I was okay, here's this upper resistance. is there a lower resistance to where this is a range of resistance? I saw we touched there. I saw we closed there. I saw we touched there. So I was like, okay, yeah, let's just play around this. Let's see. And then I went to, the 4 hour. And I said, oh, look at that. So we touched, and everybody's talking bullish, and then we came back down, and that's when I said, hey, you guys need to watch out. We touched one more time, dropped down, and I saw, like, oh, look, we're kind of caught in this little green line right here, too. So we're coming off of that support and bouncing between that resistance and support. And then, guess what? We finally fell through. Now, are we going to keep falling? I don't know. I would have to say maybe. I'd say we probably touch this support line. I don't know when. I think it might be a few days from now, maybe next week. Could be tomorrow. Maybe we come down, touch this, and start heading back up. Now, as you can see here, my green line, and we broke through it, rode on it. And now, in my views here, each support and resistance line has its own level of resistance and support, like how strong it is. So, like, obviously the green one's not very strong for resistance or support, but some of these other lines are very strong. Oh yeah, hey, look at that. There's that daily head and shoulders that everybody was talking about. Yeah, well, guess what? We're still not there. So let's just take that out of the game right now. Actually, probably for good, because it's not gonna freaking happen. Just like I said it wasn't going to happen. So I'm bullish. Don't get me wrong. I am bullish, but I am not. I'm also realist here. There it is. Okay. So our red line here. Okay. Okay, so here's so I was playing around with this not too long ago today. This red resistance line. So we gotta clean it up a little bit, Maybe clean up the range a little bit. So we're gonna go right there. We're gonna come over the end of it and put it right there. Yeah, looks a little bit better. But that right there is what stopped us. It stopped us here, and it stopped us here, and we came back down, and it stopped us again, and it stopped us again. So that is what I saw. Okay. Now we hit it. I tried telling everybody that we're gonna go down, but all their other YouTubers are very bullish, and I'm bullish too. But I'm like, hey, look out for this in the next couple days. And look what happened 2 days later. It did exactly what I said. Now, this white line right here, how strong is it? Well, I'm gonna have to say we're gonna come down here, stay on track. I'd say it's pretty friggin' strong. Pretty strong, because there is nothing below it. So I say that's a strong support line that we're dealing with here. So we'll make that a little bit thicker so we can see it. Now on top of that, we have all these other support lines and resistance lines that are dipped down below and came back above and dipped down and came back above. So I'd say there's a good chance that we're not going below 68K. Not this time. Unless something drastic happens. And the sad part is that this this crash, this most recent crash, well, I wouldn't call it a crash, retracement, it hurt. If you guys have you guys seen the altcoin market? It is struggle busting right now. ADA went down. XRP finally went down. Oh man, that one hurt the worst. So guys, keep in mind, I'm pretty sure we're gonna bounce off this, come up, and basically we're forming a triangle here. I mean, with a flat top. So here, we'll use this. We'll use this right here. Do 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 do. Actually, there you go. We'll just do that bullish triangle. Even if you don't do that, then that means that we have a lot of bouncing back and forth through here before we break out again, but we would break out. So let's see here. If we were to ride that, this elongated triangle here. Oh, end of June, breaking out. So we'll come here, hit 68, come up, 71, come down, 71, come down, 71, and out to the races. Or we just come down here, bounce off this white strong support line, come back up, and pop out. So that's Bitcoin right there. Now, oh man, XRP hurts so bad. We dropped down our very strong support line right there. Eek. Egads. That was supposed to be our bullish to break out and get up here. Unfortunately, everything follows Bitcoin just about. So that hurt. I'm still invested in it. Not saying we're not gonna go back up, but man, that was a pullback right there. What did it get down to? 45 cents. We're sitting at 49 cents right now. So we're building it back up, thankfully. Oh man. So I still got a July party zone. So guys, with some updates, you know, crypto Twitter, crypto X, whatever you want to call it, crypto mathing. I post here more than anything, probably just what I see, what to look out for. Maybe you can front run the market, or maybe you can just not be surprised when this happens. Here's the thing: everybody's running right now with the Crypto Kitty. I keep saying Crypto Kitty. Roaring Kitty came out and did a live stream after such a long time, after like 3 years, this and that. And he goes out there and he's got band-aids all over him, like he was beaten up, like whatever. Like I didn't watch it. I didn't watch him before. I'm not gonna start watching him. But yeah, and then what happens? Crypto crashes, and everybody's like, "Oh man, it's because Roaring Kitty came out and he really didn't say much and this and that." Really, if that was true, then how was I able to call this? I didn't know he was coming out. I didn't know what he was gonna say. So people will see the charts, and a lot of people will narrate the news off of the charts. If the charts are bearish, they'll have bearish news. If the charts are bullish, they'll have bullish news. I just follow the charts. I also watch the news, but I just follow the charts. But I follow the charts first, and then I see the news. I'm like, okay, well that doesn't make any sense, but but something like Roaring Kitty coming out, who doesn't even deal with the crypto market. I don't know. This is just a coincidence. So, but that's what I got. Hey, give me a follow over here. Give me a follow on YouTube or something. I don't care. If you guys want me to look at a coin, let me know. If you guys think I'm completely wrong, hey, let me know that too. I really don't care. I'm just doing this to help out people that want help. So, alright, other than that, take it easy, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thanks for watching.